found our next adventure and we are going to the most beautiful island beach in the world, which is Flamenco Beach on Culebra Island. But due to a lot of restrictions, we're gonna need a small plane, a golf cart and a ferry to get there and back, hopefully. Checking in.
Yeah guys, this is a small airport and this is how work your check-in.
Can I have your IDs, please?
Here you go.
But it's so good, right?
Yeah, yeah. So tiny.
Yeah, this is the smallest commercial
Oh my god.
airline I've ever flown in my life.
It's super scary.
So we'll be flying in this super tiny, teeny tiny, shiny commercial airplane. Do you think this is something that we should read? How many exits here do you see?
Just one here.
It's just flips over.
If something happens, you see smoke through the ceiling, through the vents, no matter where, let me know. So enjoy your flight to Culebra, okay?
Okay, I'm new to this. That's a small airplane too.
I flew out of Boeing.
You're gonna join. How many days?
All right. Lit.
I don't know.
How many days you gonna stay?
I don't know yet. We'll see.
Okay, you're. Oh, you get my number. Very nice.
Cuando dices que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama. Nunca pude.
We did it!
We survived.
You know really that you're in PR.
Welcome back to Culebra.
Me lo creía, que tú hablas con tu niña. Dice que estás en otro lado y estás en Carol.
That was the bumpy one.
So right now we are going to get our golf car and explore this beautiful island with a beautiful beach and no more this small tiny airplanes.
So because we're staying overnight, we need to sign some travel form, I guess. Done.
Right now we are somewhere here and we will go to explore all this island around and some beaches.
And this is Flamenco Beach. And we are staying in this mosquito bay. Mosquito bay?
Mosquito Bay.
I don't like mosquitoes.
Let's explore the island! We are good to go.
we love our golf cart, but there is one huge con, which is you have to take all your stuff with you every time.
It's a cool beach, but a little bit abandoned.
Yeah, it's so abandoned. I mean, this is pretty much the entrance, and there is nothing around.
You should walk through the jungle.
Yeah, and just one small kiosk with rental, like chairs and snorkeling gear, and that's it. You don't even have any restrooms or showers.
Just beautiful beach.
Even a parking, but that feels amazing actually, because that's the real Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah. It's totally empty. Yes, babe.
Yeah, it's
It's
ours.
our private beach.
Our private beach.
So here we go. We are in Culebra Island.
Yeah, we're on the most beautiful beach in the world, Flamenco Beach.
Yeah, Flamenco Beach. It's a little bit rainy right now and cloudy.
It has long stretches of beautiful white sand and all shades of blue ocean.
Yeah, it's a cool place to stay with your family.
The locals protested, and it took 5 years for the Navy to move out of the island, but this baby was too heavy for them to load. So look into those sad eyes. I can't believe this island was used as a bombing target. It's so beautiful here, but pretty much for 75 years this used to be a Navy base. Yeah, it's just lounging.
Hey! Hey, my friend!
We can give you a lift.
Now that you got me started, cause I love you.
Yeah! We're exploring new places!
Where are we going? Because it might be the end of the road.
I've been looking for love so true.
Someone is living here. Yeah. It's a ghost house.
Are you ready for this hill?
Yes.
Are you
I'm
sure?
ready for this hill. Let's do it. Yeah! Oh my gosh. You did this?
No, it wasn't me.
And who did?
I don't know, it feels like someone was like shooting it.
Oh, now we're heading to downtown Culebra.
It's Mamacita's guest house.
So here is the station. The supermercado drive-through.
On a golf cart.
And to have a diet Pepsi, may I have a two, please? Do you wanna something else?
No.
So, here is a pretty cool idea. We have a like drive-through bar. You get some drink and go home.
Yeah, so a driver gets an alcoholic drink and gets and drives home, right?
Yeah.
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
And now is the last stop. Ferry back home.
I mean, like back to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, back to Puerto Rico, not to Los Angeles now.
Thank you.
We are back to Puerto Rico. So how did you like the flight?
I love this flight, especially the small airplanes. It's super cool.
Yeah, it was just amazing. I think our pilot was just making fun of us. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You say like, okay kids, are you ready to fly? Yeah, we're ready. And then like when we start landing, he start to balance these airplanes and everyone is crying, oh my gosh, we're gonna crash.
Yeah. It was a scary landing.
Yeah, and then like, before we touching the land and like plane is like totally flat and it
He was very
professionally,
smooth.
yeah.
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 Yeah, so I think he was just making fun. So that was definitely the highlight of our trip, and I would highly recommend to take a flight with family. Yeah.
Yeah. See you
And
and
see you.
subscribe.
And see you and subscribe. Yeah.